It's Mother's Day this weekend, so you're probably going to be buying your mother flowers. Forget about flowers. Buy Cyclamen, it'll flower 10 times longer than a bunch of flowers. The secret to Cyclamen is you've got to grow them outside. If you put them inside your house and you've got a heater going, the leaves will all go yellow, the leaves will start to droop, and before you know it, the plant will be dead. So you've got to put it outside. The next thing you've got to do is you must repot your Cyclamen. If you come in and buy a Cyclamen from Tim's Garden Centre, buy a pot and we'll repot it for you. Now look at the difference. Look how big they grow. This Cyclamen is in a little tiny pot. Look how small it is. This Cyclamen is in a bigger pot. Look how big it is. Look at the difference. So if you repot your Cyclamen into a bigger pot, it's going to grow bigger. When a plant goes bigger, it gets more flowers. So repot them. What potting mix do you use?